How to fix Tinder messages not sending error. It's a common problem that can be annoying, especially when you're trying to connect with matches. But don't worry, I'll walk you through some effective steps to fix this issue and get your messages sending again. Let's dive in. First, make sure your device is connected to a stable internet connection. Launch your settings and navigate to Wi-Fi. Click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. Forget this network. Give a fresh restart to your router and rejoin it. Likewise, you can switch between networks. After you do that, your problem might be resolved. Using an outdated version of Tinder can cause various issues, so update the Tinder app to its latest version. Launch your Play Store or App Store, search for the app Tinder. After app appears, you'll find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Sometimes simply restarting the app can clear up minor glitches, so close Tinder app completely by swiping it away from your recent apps, then reopen it. Continue this process for several times. Heading towards next solution, logging out and logging back into your Tinder account can refresh your section and resolve messages errors. Launch your Tinder, navigate to the profile page, then head towards the settings page. Scroll all the way down and click on the option of logout. Once you log out of your account, again log in back. With that, your problem might be resolved. Your account could be restricted due to violating community guidelines, which can cause your messages not to send. So check the guidelines of Tinder. Just go through it and make sure you haven't violated any guidelines. If you have violated any of the guidelines, you can contact to the Tinder customer support. For that, you can head back. Now navigate to the option of help and support. Click on the related topic in which you are having the issue and go through it. Applying these solutions, your problem will be fixed. And that's how you can fix the Tinder messages not sending error. If you found this guide helpful, please leave a like, share and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.